But I just wanted to get you a little video of my petunias. They're really blooming this morning. I just harvested some more green beans. And I picked some more blueberries and got them in the freezer. Nope, it's not Starbucks. Hutch's coffee, $2.22. Get inspired, Tristan. Yeah, we're just hanging around waiting for the Longhorn cattle drive to come through. Just killing some time. Hey everybody, you have to excuse the radio station behind me here, but we're at the hamburger and hot dog feed that is kind of the kickoff of the Elks Rodeo before the cattle drive comes in. So just wanted to get you that little clip. Talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, just hanging out here with Tristan. We're sitting here along the road where the cattle drive's coming to Woodward for the Elks Rodeo. They're just about a half mile up the road right now. I just love the Longhorn cattle, and we just wanted to get you this little clip. It'd probably only take 5 or 10 minutes for them to come by. It's not a regular parade, but it's just a cattle drive. They bring the cattle into the arena for the rodeo. I think there's I heard 300 head of Longhorn steers. It's one of the biggest herds of Longhorns in the country, I heard at one time. I know it's one of the biggest in Oklahoma. But yeah, just wanted to get you this little clip, so we'll talk to you later. God bless. I just wanted to bring this little clip. I happened to look up in this window on the building across the street, and there's a big old so this truck's got to stop right here in front of me. But there's a big old blow-up eagle up there in the window, and an American flag. I just thought it was kind of cool. I happened to see it up there. It's kind of neat. Just wanted to show that to you. Yeah, everyone, I just wanted to show you this grain silo across from us. It's really hard to imagine how big these things really are. I don't know how tall that is. I'm guessing at least 150 feet up to the top up there. Sitting down here on the ground, you look pretty tiny compared to it.
Go to New York City and look at the skyscrapers. That would be unreal.
Go for it. everybody, we're out here at the rodeo grounds. We'll get you another view of the Longhorns as they come into the rodeo grounds. They're just coming up the street right now. Hey everybody, I got the car loaded up. I just got one cooler to throw in the morning. I'm just going to go up right now and top off with gas and get a couple bags of ice, and then I pretty much got the car ready to go. I plan on heading out of here by 4 in the morning tomorrow morning. That should put me into Missouri somewhere around noon. I just got to pick blackberries yet one more time tonight. I don't need to water yet. The ground's still pretty wet, so I won't need to water any. I got a few dishes to do up yet before I leave tomorrow morning. But that won't take long. I don't have too many. It's just a couple. sure what I'm going to do for dinner yet tonight. I don't have anything laid out to cook, so I might have to just go get something tonight. But it ain't gonna take too much gas. I'm just a little bit off full, but I want to start with full tank in the morning. I'm gonna set my coffee maker to have the coffee ready to go at 4 tomorrow morning. I'll have a cup of coffee to start with on the road. So yeah, we should have a good day. The weather's not supposed to be too bad, I don't believe. It's it got pretty warm here today. It's 88 degrees right now. And I will be doing a live tomorrow on the trip to Missouri. So I'm gonna just say somewhere around 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, so you can look for it around then. I should be through Tulsa by then and on the turnpike, so I should have good driving. So that's what the plan is. I should have good service through there. So yeah, I'm just gonna run out here, get gas quick, and use my Upside app. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, hope you had a wonderful Tuesday. Just wrapping my video up here. Got everything done. The car's pretty much all loaded. I'm going to be leaving about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning on my way to Missouri. Spend a day in Missouri, and then I'll be heading to North Carolina from there with my brother and sister-in-law. Going to move my niece back to Missouri. So yeah, we'll get a short day tomorrow, then a long day the next day. So, but need to get my video uploaded here. Remember, I'm going to be going live somewhere around 10 o'clock tomorrow morning on the way to Missouri. So I hope you can join in for that. But anyway, I'm going to go to bed a little early tonight. It's going to be an early morning. So like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated and make this world a better place. Keep moving toward them goals one step at a time. Be nice, be kind, just be a good person. Put the Lord in your heart, and yeah, just praise the Lord every day. And God bless each and every one of you, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.